Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to play stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe or else Magdanov will dump on you. And you don't like that, don't you? Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Hello Rian Perenya. Hello, welcome, welcome. We are an educational platform. Good to see you here. Teen and TJ Vlogs, hello, good afternoon. I saw you catching up in the last part of our live yesterday. Thank you for joining us today and leaving a comment. Hello, hello. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream. Okay? El Negro, hello. Ray Velez, hello. D Zangwin, hello. Yes, sir. Hello, hello. Make you chill. Yeah, chillin'. Hello, hello. Wag ka na mag 20 USDT, Jeramil. Jeramil. Yes, sir. Rio Ichiban, 20 USDT. Yo, hey, 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 Sir Ajay Mapagmahal. Alright, yes. We are happily married. Our anniversary is this March 28. 3 years in marriage, right? So we are happily married. My wife is happy and I am married. Yes, sir. My wife is happy and I am married. Hello, Lord Sloddy. Hello, B Zangwin. ETM, hello. Good to see you here. We are an educational platform. You can check our previous live stream, okay? And you can add it to your trading strategy also. Hello, Oswaldo Moreno. Hello, 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 Mary Madeleine. Watching, yeah, good signal earlier. Even last night, our signal last night. Imagine if you were riding from the signal last night, you were really making so much money. Hello, Myla. Hello, yes, yes. Always on the practical group, sir. Free signal was hot earlier. Got my profit. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, win some, lose some. Whenever you lose, don't lose everything, okay? That's our motto in our Telegram. We don't always win, but when we lose, we don't lose everything. When we lose only a portion because we have a risk management, okay? So imagine, just a challenge for you, $100 for a month. How much will you have at the end of the month? How much will your $100 ends at the end of the month, okay? So we'll see if you can grow it, if we can grow it to 500, to 300, or to 1,000, okay? So our signal last night, let me check our signal last night. Okay, this was in the morning. Our signal in the morning was also profitable. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Here, signal last night. 38739. Imagine if you entered here and you TP in their TP3, then you really made so much money, right? Okay, and you can see everybody entered and made profit right away. 50x, 50x, all good, all good. Right? So that's the good thing right there. Once you use our signal and you follow also. And Jeramil made money also. Wow. Cheers. Hello, hello. Hello, Diana May. Good to know that you're already in the Telegram community, okay? TJ, Teen and TJ Vlogs. Very welcome, okay? You can also shout out our Telegram community in your YouTube channel, okay? Yes, sir. Welcome, and other admins Telegram are so kind and accommodating. Kudos to Trade Scholar and ULIAN team. Sir RJ, yes. Nadi Ao, hello, hello. Good to see you here. We are an educational platform. You can check our previous live stream so you can add it also to your trading strategy. Okay? And our signal for this morning. Okay, I gave a signal this morning. Okay, this is the Ethereum signal last 2 days ago. We closed already in profit, okay? Yeah. So all our Ethereum trade in profit. So I closed my trade already in profit. And entered BTC signal. This is the morning signal today. Okay, 39.2 and 39.1. Specific, we have 30x, 45x. Risk is 69. This one is 80%. This is the stop loss. And as you can see, people made money again. $74. Cheers. With your 83% profit. Wow, 100x. Angela is so strong. Right? So strong. $100. It's still good because he has available margin of maybe he has at least 1,000. Okay, so now he spent 200 here. So he spent it also good, at least close to our 2 to 3%, right? Okay. So we have here TJ. So he made money also. So you can just see these are free signals, okay? You don't have to even bring out you don't have even to pay me or to pay us. You just need to trade in our ULIAN exchange, okay? And you can just see how the signals went. So we gave you a signal in the morning. Okay, these are the take profit also of others. You can just see all are making money. Cheers, cheers. Even if you're not able to catch my specific entry, but if you know it's really pumping, then you can ride. I also took profit from our morning signal because we're gonna have our evening signal also. So we made at least 157% and 130%. Okay? Okay. Yes. We profit together and we risk manage together also, okay? You follow everything including the risk management, okay? So when we lose, our trade doesn't follow our way, then we don't lose everything, okay? And we are still on the trade. Okay, that's why I always encourage you to use 2 to 3% only of your portfolio. So whenever we win, and then when we lose little, okay? Okay. Hello, John and Yora. Good to see you here again. Always present. Yes. Okay. Cheers to everyone in profit. So I usually drop my signal here. I drop the signal here 12. Okay, this is the TA signals. This is our group, 4 members only here. I drop it here, and then our assigned people will just distribute our signal in our Telegram communities. Okay, so I drop it here. Sometimes I drop early, 12 noon. So if it is dropped to you at 2 p.m. or 1 p.m. Sometimes it buffs, right? It cannot be sent to you right away. Sometimes the assigned is not yet available. So it happens. Okay. So our evening signal I sent. Okay, I send the signals here. And then sometimes I send in 1:23. Okay. 7 p.m., 8 a.m. Sometimes I send signal 8 a.m. You can just imagine how early, right? Usually I send 8 a.m. when it's Sunday. I'm busy in Sundays. So I give the signal early. Okay? Okay, so basically, we make money with our signals. And we lose also. Okay, that's normal in day trading. You don't always win. But when you lose, you don't lose everything. Okay, that's why I usually put up specific. So you know how much you're gonna lose. Just 1 to 5% of your whole portfolio. And then you use only 2 to 3% portfolio only per trade. Okay? So you don't YOLO. Okay, let's go now to our basic technical analysis you must learn. Okay, if you are newbie, this is the basic you need to learn. This one is for the psychology of trader. Okay? This is the trader and this is the gambler. See where you belong here. Okay? Are you a gambler or a trader? Focus on long-term growth, profitability, and consistency. That's trader. Okay? So you're focused on long-term growth. You are not here for quick money. Okay? Gambler wants to make quick money. Like you want to make money right away. You're in hurry. No. Day trader, we win every day slowly. Okay? So slowly we make money every day. We grow our account because if you win in haste, then you lose in haste also. Okay? So profitability and consistency. You just have $100 and you observe your $100. If you only trade $20 per trade, you will just observe how much it will grow at the end of the year, at the end of the month. Okay? And then from there, if you want to remove all the profit, then you keep the $100 again. You do it again in the next month. Okay? So if you want to add next month, then you just, if you made $1,000, then you remove the 500 and then you leave the 500. So you can slowly, gradually grow also your trading. Okay? Okay, just don't YOLO. As a valid trading plan and a backtest strategy that uses all the time and optimism along the way. Okay, so that strategy is tested already. Does not have a strategy and trades based on word of mouth. Okay, Elon tweeted this, so you trade that one. Some tweets and coin flips. Oh, this is the new trend now. No, we don't do that here. Okay, we are here based on technical analysis. Our signal is based on technical analysis, not based on word of mouth. If you watch YouTube, if you watch some YouTubers, you watch their signal. If they are not live signal, then the entry that you receive is already delayed. Okay, it's already delayed because they made that video in the morning and then they upload it in the afternoon after the edit. So once you see it, the entry is not valid anymore. But here we do it live, and then I just check and then I send the signal right away. Okay, in the evening. Okay, and in the afternoon also, so you can have it right away. Strictly obeys risk management principle and does not over leverage his account. That's number 3. Are you obeying risk management principles and does not over leverage his account? Okay, so you obey risk management. So just like our signals, we give leverage 30x, 45x because we want to put our stop loss in 38,256. If you want to put your stop loss in 38,256 and you have 100x, you cannot reach 38 because your entry is 39. So it needs a bigger, it needs a closer. So if it is closer, the stop loss 38.4, this one 38.2, 38.4, then you can have, okay, basically your leverage and your stop loss is related. Okay? Hulalysis. Yeah, hulalysis. That's dangerous, hulalysis, okay? Okay, and then our stop loss is always 1 to 5% from your whole portfolio. Okay? If that's whole portfolio, that means if you have $1,000 and then your stop loss is whole portfolio, you just lose 1%, you only lose $10. Okay? And if you're going to use 2 to 3% of your portfolio, 1,000 times 0.2, 2%, you're gonna use only $20 per trade. Okay? Because 2 to 3% only. So you use $20 and you are willing to lose $10, that means you can have a stop loss of 50% per trade. But for your whole portfolio, you will only lose 1%. Okay? Imagine if every trade you only lose 1%. It takes you 100 trades to wipe out your account. Okay? Are you listening? Okay? All in agad. Gambler yan, gambler. So, imagine if you only follow what I'm suggesting, then you will not wait for your next payday to trade again. But if you don't follow what I'm suggesting because you are in hurry to make money, then once you wipe out your account, you're gonna wait, Sir RJ, I cannot trade now. I need to wait for my payday again so I can trade again. That's not wise, okay? Your wife will be a nagger, okay? Your wife will nag at you if you are not good in taking care of your finances also, okay? So your goal is to learn. Okay, your trading now is just a practice. You're practicing your skills. And once you get it right, then you make so much money also. Okay? Okay. So 2 to 3% only. So strictly obeys risk management. Here, use extremely high leverage and risk. Half of his account on single trade. Oh. Di ko na inulit. Haha. Okay. First trade ko all in agad. Tapos nag 256 profit. Oh, that's nice. But it's not always Sunday, right? Our trading is not always Sunday. If it goes against your way, then you will have a negative 256%. That would ruin your account right away. Okay? So use extremely high leverage. It's okay to use leverage as long as you know where to put your stop loss. Okay? I taught you already how to put stop loss. Okay? This is the example. This is our entry. The one that I gave you. Let me show you the fib. Okay, this is our measurement. Our entry is here, 39144, okay? 39144. So from 39144, this Fibonacci line of 618, imagine we hit the Fibonacci line, okay? So from here, you subtract where you place your stop loss. Your stop loss is just below this. If you want stop loss, you place it below this trend here because this is forming, let me show you, higher low. Primary low, higher low, and then another higher low. So if ever it drops hard, it will not go beyond here because this is already higher low. Okay? Okay. So with that in mind, your stop loss should be below here. Okay? So it will not easily get hit. I gave you the signal just starting this 4-hour time frame, and I always look at the 1 hour and 4-hour time frame only when I give signal, okay? I don't give signal in 5 minutes time frame, okay? I don't want you to get wrecked. I don't want us to get wrecked with giving you 5 minutes entry. Okay, so from here, you pull it out, and then you pull out the risk. You say, oh, this is 2.94. Your loss will be 2.94. If this gets hit, then you're gonna lose 2.94. Now you pull out your calculator. How much leverage can I use? 2.94. Let's say I want to use 20x. Okay, this is fine. I'm gonna lose 58% of my portfolio. So if I'm gonna use $20, I'm gonna only lose at least $10 or more, okay? So that's how you do it, okay? So if you say, this is too little, I want bigger leverage. So 2.94 times, let's say you want 30x. Oops, this can't work. It's only up to 80% because this will liquidate you. Above 80, you get liquidated. Okay? So you adjust again. Times 25x. Okay, this one is fine. So meaning you need to have, your stop loss will be 38,017, and then your risk is 73%. Okay? So that's how I do this one. I do the calculation for our stop loss, and then I show you the risk. It's 80% risk. Okay? And then you lose this, you lose 80% of your trading portfolio. Okay? Takit tapos naka-cross. Oh yeah, don't do the cross. Just the isolated, okay? So I hope you follow our strictly obeys risk management. Okay? We have so many failing trades, but because we have risk management, we were not wiped out. Okay? We were not wiped out. In fact, we are back again with our initial capital. So if you started from the March 1, we started trading. We have losses, but we won. So we have recovered all our funds and now even more. Okay? So that's how you do it. That's how you do the trading. You always check your risk management. Okay? Do not over leverage. Do not gamble. Okay? Okay. So this one, Jeramil is using 100x with 1.5 losses. Okay, so it's his call also. Okay. So me as the one giving you signal, of course I will give you the safest, right? So it depends on you how you want to do it. As long as we as the analyst and as the one with our desire is that you make money. And before I tell you to make money, I need to tell you first to protect your fund. Okay? Unless you know how to protect your money, you cannot grow your fund. Okay, so you learn first in protecting your fund before thinking of making your money 1000x, 100,000x. Okay, okay. Trades only when there are high probability setup available and these entry criteria have been met. Okay, this one, usually we don't apply this in our live because every day we give signal even though it's not high probability, right? Because I need you to give everyday signal, at least 2 signal. So that's why even though I gave you signal in the middle of the trade, in the middle of the pump. For example, this one. Okay, I give you this signal. It has pump already. So I pull out swing low to swing high here. So if other analysts, they will not give you signal already. They will say, this is risky. It's already moving. But I gave you signal here in 0.618. Okay, and in 0.618, you made money also because it got hit. Stop loss up to here. You didn't hit your stop loss because your stop loss is right here. Okay. So we always give signal. That's why if you want to follow my signal, you also need to follow my leverage and also my stop loss. Okay. For example, our Ethereum. My Ethereum stayed for 3 days. It took so long because the Bitcoin dumped first. So I cannot take profit in loss, right? So you don't take profit in loss. That's not take profit. That's take losses. I only wait for my stop loss, but my stop loss was not hit. Okay, where's my... This one is BTC. Let me find my Ethereum trade. Here. Okay, this one, Ethereum trade. This one was given at least 3 days ago. I guess 2 days ago. If I remember it right. Imagine, this took 3 days before it started profiting because it went down. But because I have the proper leverage, I have the proper stop loss, it did not hit my stop loss. Okay, so even though the Bitcoin dump, it did not touch our stop loss. And so when the Bitcoin pump again, then it pump also. So we made profit. Okay? So that's how it goes. If you want to make money with my trades, you better follow also the leverage because I compute the stop loss also. But there are times I don't give you specific stop loss, right? I let you check on your own. Let me show some signal here that I didn't give you stop loss. Here, 7 p.m. I just gave you just stop loss 1.5%. What happened when I gave you this kind of signal? If I gave you this kind of signal and I did not give you a specific, I bet you hit your stop loss. Okay, I bet you hit your stop loss because I did not specifically put what stop loss you should have. Okay? So if you already know how to trade, you can start doing what I do. You pull out some ruler. If you are asked to enter here, then you check where should I put my stop loss. I think below this higher low. So I just put it here. And then you put your leverage, you multiply this and the leverage that you want. And then you put your stop loss specific. Okay? Okay, this is the one I'm explaining right now, Cliff. About the stop loss. Okay? So for example, this one here, this our trade here. Okay, this is our trade. The entry is 39144, 39235. Okay, so 39235. So if your entry is 39235, your leverage is 45x. Your stop loss is 3844. Let's try this one. 39391. Okay. Let's pull this out. So if your entry is 39114 and you place your stop loss here, so this is 2.7. Okay? Your stop loss is below this primary low, higher low, and then another higher low. So you make sure your stop loss is below this long wick. So whenever it makes a long wick, it will not hit your stop loss. Okay, so 2.7, you put it here, 2.70, and then you want to use leverage. So your leverage is, let's say, I want to use 30x. Okay, this is fine, but this is already above 80%, so you need to adjust it. 2.7 times, let's say, 29x. Okay, so you lose 78%. Okay, your risk is 78. Here, the risk is 80. Here, the risk is 78. Okay, so you put your stop loss in 38,090. Okay, so that's how you put. So if I put it into writing, it will look like this one. 38090. SL 38090. Okay, and then the risk is 78%. Okay, I'm doing it before your eyes. 78%. So that's the risk of your stop loss. Your entry is 39144. Right? 39144. So that's your entry. This is your stop loss. And of course, you only do 2 to 3% of your portfolio per trade. Okay? So portfolio. And then your stop loss is 1 to 5% whole portfolio. So which means even though this trade you're gonna lose 78%, it only means you only lose 1 to 5% of your whole portfolio. Meaning you have used only 2 to 3% of your whole portfolio per trade. Okay? Only 2 to 3%. Oh, where are you? Where are you staying? Where's your location? Is it okay? Okay, it's okay. No problem. No problem, Hiroshi. Ivan Solestre. Hello, hello, Ivan. Okay, okay. Clifford Armenton. Okay. So whenever I give you signal, then you also check the risk that I provide. And then the 2 to 3% portfolio per trade, so that you will only lose 1 to 5%, even though I told you that you're gonna risk 78%. And then from there, you know what happens? You compute also your profit. If your trade here, you take profit in the 4717, this is your take profit. So 4.13. And then your leverage is 29x. So 4.13 times 29x. So you made 119%. After hitting this one, you made 119%. Okay? Okay, okay. So that's how you compute your stop loss, your take profit, and all. Okay? Okay, let me hide it again. And I am just teaching you first about the trader versus gambler. Okay? Trades only, high probability. So whenever I give you not a high probability, you can be assured that I gave you little entry. The stop loss, the leverage will be lower. Okay? Where's my Ethereum trade that I gave you? I gave you Ethereum trade. What was it? The Ethereum trade was super risky. This one XRP. AVAX. Okay, I can't find anymore. Okay, okay. Anyway, with the Ethereum trade, I just gave you 25x. Okay, 25x and a little higher. Okay, just 25x because our entry is not secure. Okay, we are in the middle, there is no clear direction, so I just want to make sure our stop loss doesn't get hit. If it gets hit, then we lose this amount. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, opens random position. The gambler is so Opens random position, overtrades, makes irrational decision. Okay, so that's a gambler. Just opening wherever they want to open. When they hold their cell phone, it's just moving fast. They ride with the trade without even checking the technical analysis of the trade, and then you lose right away because after you enter, it dump. Okay, when you open long position, it dump. Overtrades. In just a day, you trade so many entries, and then you lose your trade. Okay, gets his mood ruined and angry whenever he endures a loss. Accepts his losses and does not get emotional. Okay, so I hope you reach this part. Are you all like this one already? Talpak player. So number 5. Can you say present if you are already able to accept your loss and you don't get emotional? Hello, Robilin, Recimiolo. I hope I pronounce it right. Anyway, accepts his loss and does not get emotional. Okay, so when you lose, you don't get emotional. You just take the loss. But for the newbie, they will not accept loss. They would rather get liquidated than accept loss. They will not comment, they will not put stop loss. They will not put stop loss. So as long as they will not lose amount. Okay, and if you don't put stop loss, then you get liquidated. Treats trading like a business. Okay, this is a business. Our trading is like a business. Okay. Hello, you can beat me. Thinks that trading is a casino. Okay, those who don't understand trading Bitcoin, they think that we are gamblers. A person who doesn't even know me think I was gambling. Oh, RJ is gambling now. It's good that people who knows me and also has at least a friend of mine has a $100,000 in the market defended me. No, RJ is not gambling. He is trading. Even the Philippines has trading. Okay, so that's good, right? Yes, sir. Crying a little bit but still accepting it. Yeah. We need to grieve with our loss, right? Okay. So you don't treat trading like a casino, okay? Treat it like a business. You need to invest on it. You need to study it carefully. You need to develop it. You need to think it through. You need to spend more time on it. I tell you, spend 5,000 to 10,000 hours in the market. I mean, study it. Spend time, get to know the market. Be one with the market. I tell you, you become day trader, profitable day trader, okay? So you don't have to you just need this one. You just need to have a right mindset in trading. Not a gambler mindset, but a trader's mindset, okay? Okay, it's already 6:33. So check our Telegram QR code here in the left side. Scan that QR code and join our Telegram community, okay? So if you are not yet part of our Telegram community, once you scan the QR code, you will be redirected here and people will welcome you. You will just envy the profit of the people here. But if you want to make money also, then you can DM our Welcome Trade Scholar. You can DM them, okay? So you get the specific signal. Long signal are posted in practical group. DM Welcome Trade Scholar and KZ1986. Okay, so you can DM them. And then they will invite you in our practical group where you can get so much signal, okay? So many signals here and so many green profits here, okay? Even if you lose, you can also share your losses. That would also, many people can sympathize also with your losses, okay? Because we have been there also. And losses are part of trading, okay? Okay. So just don't forget to use stop loss, okay? Okay. So, basically, it would look like this. This is the free community. Scan the QR code. You will be here. You get the live technical analysis, daily BTC forecast. Here in practical group, you just need to open ULIAN account, okay? And you transfer balance from your Binance to ULIAN. You transfer your $100 to $500 to ULIAN, and then your daily BTC forecast, live technical analysis, daily signals, beginner scores. We have Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday. Okay, and learning videos. Okay, this is what you get. And in exclusive, you have greater than 500 balance in ULIAN. Then you can be able to join our daily BTC forecast, live technical, daily signal, advanced courses, one-on-one review, exclusive signals. Okay, so we also give exclusive signals. Okay, so we also check so many coins also at the same time. Okay, let me X this one. Okay, so you can see I always check so many coins. So if you are in the exclusive, I might send you some good signal also from all these charts that I'm looking at. Okay, okay. So that's all for our Trade Scholar subscription. Okay, so join. If you like what I am doing, giving you free signals every day, and don't mind the people who copycat me, okay? Those who ask for signal from you, and they tell you, just give me $30 and you will be able to join my signal. That's not me, okay? I don't ask for money, okay? Okay. Yes, that's right. Leverage depends on your stop loss. That's perfect. That's good. Okay. So, let's now go to our Bitcoin news. Okay, so what's news for Bitcoin now? Bitcoin suddenly spikes toward 42k, leaves 200 million in liquidation. Oh, so many got liquidated. This is the 200 million. Are you one of the people who got liquidated? Hello to our 25 viewers. Hello, Charity. Hello. I hope you are not in contributor. Okay, hello, Lara. I hope you are not a contributor, okay? So many short position got liquidated. I told you I was not giving you any short position. I always give you long position, okay? Because whenever everybody is fearful, you see, it's extreme fear. Yesterday was 21, so I told you yesterday it's gonna pump, and it did pump because it's extreme fear. Whenever people are in extreme fear, that's the time you're gonna be so greedy. You open long position. Okay, 1 year. Let me show you. Extreme greed, extreme fear, extreme greed, extreme fear, extreme greed, extreme fear, neutral, extreme fear, neutral, extreme fear. Now we're gonna jump to neutral again tomorrow. Surely we're gonna jump to neutral tomorrow. And then we haven't touched yet extreme greed. But if we touch extreme greed, we're gonna stay in extreme greed. That means we are already in the rally. Okay, rallying. We are rallying to the upside, okay? So we are still in extreme fear, then we can expect more to the upside, okay? Okay. Here's the pump, 1 hour time frame. Okay. Bitcoin erases gains, dashing hopes of quick recovery. Okay. Bitcoin surpasses 40k following massive volatility. Market adds 80 billion overnight. Imagine the market cap, it adds automatically 80 billion. That's the magic. Hello, KTM. Good to see you here again. Okay, so I think I saw you already twice in our live, if I remember it right. Okay, thank you for coming back. Bitcoin reminding of its enhanced price fluctuation with a roller coaster movement, but has since reclaimed 40,000. Most altcoins are well in the green on a daily scale, with Ethereum charging toward 2.7. Yes, sir. Okay, everybody, pam param pam pam, pam param pam pam. As DOGE creator asks everyone to become bullish, Bitcoin spikes to 41.5. Okay. Can everything continue to be bullish for no reason again? Okay. I think the reason is the Fed's announcement about the inflation and all. Don't be so much bullish, okay? There is still bearish sign, okay? Don't be too bullish yet. Okay, we are just day trading, so don't be so bullish. Take profit every day if it is necessary, if it is already in profit, okay? Okay. So I think that's all for our news. Okay, let's check now our Bitcoin price. Okay, let's check weekly time frame. Oops. Okay, here's our weekly time frame. Our awesome oscillator is still bearish, okay? You can see awesome oscillator bearish. And you can also see our DXY is still bearish in the weekly. Okay, maybe that's why Bitcoin pumped, because DXY is dumping again. It found support here. We need to break this one. This is bearish, okay? Let me draw something. The drawing is here. This gap right here is bearish. It might hit up to here, the red line. The find next support in Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so this is bearish. If DXY dump up to this one, because of the inflation news tomorrow will be released. Okay, we'll see if it can hit 40,717, okay? The TP1 already hit. The TP2 is now waiting, okay? So you can also take profit if you want to hit the 40,717. You can also hit that one, but if you want to take profit earlier, it's also fine. Okay, profit is profit, right? Okay, so the XY and then the Dow Jones is pumping. Oh, that's why we are pumping also. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I think Dow Jones has found its bottom already. I think Dow Jones is going to pump. When Dow Jones pump, Bitcoin pumps also. Okay? Okay, that's how it goes. When DXY dump, Bitcoin pumps. Okay? US index, Russell 2000. Index. Russell 2000 here. Russell, when Russell bullish, every Bitcoin bullish also, because in the New York or in the stock exchange, the crypto or Bitcoin acts like a tech company. It's like a tech company, okay? And the Russell 2000 is composed of 2,000 companies, okay? And there are technology company, okay? So it will usually resemblance. There's a resemblance, okay? I think this is already for bottom. I hope this is already it, and we can start pumping. Okay, so basically, when the stock market is going up, then Bitcoin will also go up. If stock market is going down, then Bitcoin is going down. Okay, so in weekly time frame, we are still bearish. Okay, this is bearish saucer. Here. This is weekly, so nothing to fear. Okay, green and then red, so that's bearish. It's continuation to the downtrend, and you can see the candle dropping. Okay, that's why we haven't experienced the drop yet. The drop, the dump, the bubble index bubble. So we haven't have a correction. Bitcoin hasn't experienced any bearish. Okay, we never went below 200 moving average, I tell you, meaning we have the Bitcoin never experienced bears. Okay, it did not experience bear. Okay, meaning bear market. It never went to bear market. It did not went to bear market yet. Okay, that's why I'm telling you, if we gonna hit the bear market, then we haven't been below the 200 moving average. So we are always above. So there is still probability here. So don't be too bullish yet for now, okay? Okay, and once the stock market dumps, you see, especially the dot-com bubble, right? The dot-com bubble, if you're familiar with it. When the dot-com bubble, Amazon. Imagine Amazon drop negative 90%. It's stock market, okay? Hello, hello. Yes, yes. This one we teach is always in our Zoom class Tuesday and Thursday, okay? So you just join our Zoom class. You're gonna have this all, okay? Okay, you're gonna master this. And then once we grow your capital from 100 to 500 above, then you're gonna have some advanced stuff also, okay? Okay, going back here. Okay, so right here, so we are daily time frame. Okay, this is daily. Right now we are pumping. Okay, I told you we gonna cross this area here, and it did cross, right? I told you we gonna retest this thin part of the cloud. We cannot cross the huge part of the cloud, of the Ichimoku cloud, because it's hard to break. But I told you we gonna break it once it's in the thinnest part. And right now we are going to break it. Right? Hello, hello, hello. Hello Blair. Hello Myro Jr. Hello, hello. Okay. So basically, we gonna cross the cloud and we're gonna be bullish. Okay, okay. Thank you for our 22 viewers. Our awesome oscillator is already bullish, okay? If you can see, we are already seeing higher low. Okay? Higher low, and then this one lower low. Meaning, even though we have been to the downside, this is already the bottom because there is no more volume to the downside. The volume via awesome oscillator is telling us, no, we cannot dump it. We got tired already. Sir, sana may Sunday po na Zoom class. Oh, I don't think we can have on Sundays. Sundays is really busy day also, right? For most of the people, Sundays is how to join the Zoom class po. Yeah, you will be able to join the Zoom class once you are in our practical group. The links will be sent in our practical group, okay? So you can just join there. Here's to that. Okay. Okay, okay. And I, as the one teaching you, I'm also the #1 learning from all the things that I teach you. And of course, in this group, in this PowerPoint right here, this is the one that I use already. Okay, I'm using this already. I've been profitable through this all indicators and chart patterns. This is the one that I use here. So basically, once you finish this course, you can start becoming profitable day trader, of course, with experience. Okay, you need to spend more time. So you get familiar with the market. Okay, so here, so in the daily time frame, we are already at the bottom. We're gonna start pumping here. Okay, so if you see this green volume here, I think this is a good time to open long position here. Okay, because this is already, unless it open tomorrow, a red volume again. But if it continues green volume, then it's gonna cross over to the other side. So meaning this is a good long position here. Okay, so 4-hour time frame. This is our 4-hour time frame. We have crossed already. I told you in my TA that this blank here, this long wick right here is nothing to be afraid of. Okay, this long wick right here is just a liquidation. They just need to liquidate the short position. Okay, at the long position, because after this pump, people were riding it. It needs to go down first to liquidate everyone. And now it's gonna go up again. Okay, that's why I entered this trade right here. Okay, I gave this trade in the second candle. Look at this one. Let's pull out the fib line. Okay, look at this one, 39144. This is the exact entry I gave it to you. Okay? So I told you, once it has a long wick, it needs to be filled. Okay? By force or by whatever means, it needs to be filled. When I say it needs to be filled, candle should start going up to fill this void here. Okay, it needs to fill. Because we need to fill this void, and once we hit it, we might go down again. Okay, that's why our take profit is the top 41689. Of course, we don't know if gonna hit today or if gonna hit right away. Okay, this one. Let me delete this one, testing. Okay, this one, TP3 41689. Okay, we don't know if we're gonna hit this today or there will be a correction again and then tomorrow again pump. Okay, so don't be greedy. You can take profit since we're gonna make signal every day anyway, right? Okay, yes. You see, technical analysis is the hardest way to make easy money in the market. Okay, you can join some pump and dump groups and you lose money always there. You can join some signals, giving you signals. You can win some, you can lose some, but if you don't understand what they're doing, then you most of the time you're gonna lose money there. Okay, our group is also a signal group. Okay, we give you signal. But the different thing here is we teach you for free. Okay? In other groups, you can just comment below. You can tell me that the groups that are having signals are paid signals, and also the teaching is also paid teaching. You're gonna pay so much. Okay? So that's the question, right? If you are already making hundreds of thousands in trading, why you make courses that are so expensive? The meaning you are making money with your courses, not with your trading. You don't make money with your trading, huh? You want to make money with your courses. Okay. Sir, automatic yung fib retracement nyo? Yes, automatic. No. You see this object tree? This is from this area here, object tree. Multi-tool, okay? You click it. Then whatever you draw, okay, I draw this one. Then there is another Fibonacci retracement here. If I want to hide it, I'll just hide it. Okay? Instead of deleting everything, right? If I click this delete, everything will be deleted. So I'll just hide it from here. Okay, I'm not gonna use it. The text, I won't be using it. The text, I won't be using it. The Fibonacci, I won't be using it. So if I need to use it again, I'll just bring it back. Okay, so it become automatic. Okay, so you're learning again, huh? You use it from here. This one at the bottom. Okay, object tree, multi-select drawing tools. Okay, so you're learning from our TradingView, how to use TradingView. Okay. So Bitcoin for our time frame, we are still pumping. We'll see when is the next. Actually, we're gonna find support here in 200 moving average. This is the 200 moving average. Okay, for our time frame, if we are above 200 moving average, then that is a confirmed bullish. Okay, bull market. That is a confirmed bull market once you're above the 200 moving average. Okay? Okay, so from that one, we just need to stay above. Okay, I sell my position above this one here. It almost got touched this one. It almost touched but did found rejection, so we were not able to touch it. So let's see if we're gonna touch again. So we're gonna have some retracement, I guess. We might retrace again here in 0.382. If I'm gonna give you signal, I might give you signal here, or I'm gonna give you signal in 200 moving average, and then I'll just adjust the leverage. Depends on the entry that I'm giving you. Okay, or this is the long position you can have, or this one 39630. This is tip already. You can have it here. This one is the 10 sen. So you can have long position also in the 10 sen area. The Kijun Sen, where is Kijun Sen? The Kijun Sen. Where is Kijun Sen? Oh, this is the Kijun Sen here in the 0.5. It's waiting in the 0.5. We'll see. We'll see. We still have 1 hour and 4 minutes for the 4-hour time frame. Yes, yes. Yes, you can just find it here. Okay, 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour time frame looks like. So as you can see, after the pump, it dumped the next hour. This is 1 hour, this is another hour, and then the next hours it started covering. We're gonna cover this, so we might hit this one. And right now we are in Tenkan Sen. We found support in Tenkan Sen here. This is the Tenkan Sen of the 1 hour time frame, and we might find support there. We bounce here, and there is also a bouncing area here. Okay, there is also a bouncing area here. Another bouncing area is right here. 1 hour time frame. Oh, in our drawing, 40,000. Okay, so we might not drop below 40k since the Kijun Sen is here. Okay, so I'll give you signal later. I will send it in our practical group. Okay. Okay. Yes. Cheers. We don't make perfect profit every day, but with our risk management, we don't wipe out our account, and so we can continue day trading. Okay, you just remove your emotion with the market, and you just follow everything, and you just continually grow and become professional day trader. And then from there, you're gonna be profitable day trader, and you can make this as your second source of income. Okay, so you say, wife, would you like to go to Boracay? Okay, let me trade now. Oh, wife, do you want to go to Baguio? Okay, let me enter some trade now. Okay, you can. Do you want a car? Oh, let me trade now. Okay, so you can do that one. Once you become a profitable day trader, you are inside your home at the comfort of your home office. 1 hour time frame is still bullish. Okay, as you can see, it's still forming. Okay, it seems in the 1 hour time frame, this one is printing already. This is higher high, I mean. So it is still bullish. Okay, in our awesome oscillator, it is still higher high. So there is still power to the upside. Okay, higher high. In 4 hour time frame, it's still very bullish. We are just starting. I told you, once we cross the line, it's gonna be super bullish, right? So we cross the line, it pump hard. After crossing, it pump hard. From the negative to the positive, it pump hard. Okay, in our awesome oscillator, it shows here signals. Negative, once it crosses, you can buy long position, and then it's gonna start pumping. Crossing below, it's gonna start dropping. Okay, so this is the basic use of awesome oscillator also. Okay, and it happened also right here. So if you open long position here, then it started pumping to the upside. Okay, so if it start crossing, then it's gonna start dropping also. Okay. Cheers. So seems like we don't have other coin to TA, and it's already time. So we're gonna check now our raffle. Okay, so you can join our raffle. Okay. Hello to our 24 viewers. We also give money here, free money every Sunday. Okay, so if you join every day, then you can have 1 entry every day. Then that means we have a winner every Sunday, 5 USDT, 10 USDT, and 20 USDT. Okay, so we give out that prizes every Sunday. Okay, so just comment 20 USDTs to be able to join our raffle. Okay, so who wants to join our raffle? Just comment. If you're done commenting, no need to comment again. Okay, El Negro, Ray Velez, If you are still here, you can also comment present. Zangwin. Make you chill. Wag ka na mag 20 USDT Jeramil, said Zangwin. Because Jeramil has won straight. Okay. Rio Ichiban. I hope I pronounce it right, okay? Lodi. Mary Madeleine Rogando. Ayla Ranido. Diana May. And Kenneth Velasquez. Oh, John Kenneth. Then Amiro. Shout out to John Hezekiel watching in Smart TV. John Anyora. Daddy Au, are you interested to join our raffle? This is free also. Okay, if you're not interested, it's also fine. Okay. Cassandra Austin. Jeramil San Jose. Hi, Ballet. Oh, Jeramil is already here, huh? The lucky guy. Baka mausog na. We might usog Jeramil with always telling him the lucky guy, huh? Not my Ballesteros Klee. Make you chill already here. Melissa Jane Sobrepenya. Edmund Asherta. Manuel Ballesteros Jr. Clifford Armenton. Evan Solestre nakasabay. How to calculate Hiroshi? You can beat me. You can beat me. Robelin. Resimulo. Iconic name. Angelo Carmelo from Facebook. Hello. Sir, suggest leverage a swing trader at Scalper. If you need leverage and swing trading leverage, it's still based on your stop loss, okay? So whatever you do, your leverage is always dependent to your stop loss. And you only use 2 to 3% of your scalping, okay? Hiroshi Tara. Yeah, Jeremy answered it well. ETM. Jeremy, you're still in the position in your Matic. You trim down. At least you lock some profit. Cliff. RVL. JP. JP, wanna join our team and TJs? And then ads VPN. Sana mapili na ako. You just got chosen. Present. Okay. For sure, dadami pa to after few months. Yes. Aha, mausog na. Mausog na. Top attraction. Welcome here, Rob. Kaya fight po natin, sir. Hello, Rob. Yes. Oswaldo Moreno. I think Oswaldo is over here. Let me check. Oswaldo Moreno. Okay, all good, right? Okay. Yes. Okay, everyone. Thank you for our 27 viewers. Thank you for joining us today. Okay, all the best. Stay safe. Trade safer. Okay? Bye-bye. See you tomorrow, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. tomorrow, okay? 8 p.m. Okay.
There's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves. There's no one I can turn to. And I know